Hello, this is Janet from Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make pumpkin roll. This is extra soft, moist, and not overly sweet. Let's begin by combining all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground nutmeg, and cinnamon. In a separate mixing bowl, combine eggs, granulated sugar, and vanilla. Beat until lighter in color and thick. Next, beat in the pumpkin puree. Now, pour the dry mixture into the wet, then fold until just combined. Spread evenly into a prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven 375F 190C for about 13 to 15 minutes. While waiting for the cake to bake, prepare your thin kitchen towel by dusting it with powdered sugar. When the cake is done, lift it out of the pan and invert onto the prepared towel. Carefully peel off the paper, roll up the cake and towel together, starting with narrow end. Let cool on wire rack. For the frosting, you can prepare by beating together the cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Add the sifted powdered sugar and beat until smooth and fluffy. Then beat in the vanilla. Carefully unroll the cake, spread the frosting, and re-roll the cake. Wrap in plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Sprinkle with powdered sugar before serving if desired. Slice, serve, and enjoy! Let me give you some tips. If pumpkin spice is available, omit the cinnamon powder and add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice instead. For the pumpkin puree, I use the one in pan. If not available, cut the squash or pumpkin in small pieces, then steam until soft and mash or use a blender to puree. Make sure the parchment paper is tightly fitted on your baking pan to ensure the cake is nice and even. Put enough powdered sugar on the towel when rolling up so it will not stick. Make sure to roll the cake as soon as it comes out of the oven. The longer it sits, the harder to roll it. I hope these tips help. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.